Hi everyone, Mike is going to present his habitat.
Hi, my name is Mike. My habitat is the rainforest. The rainforest has 30 million species of plants and animals. It rains more than 100 inches of rain per year. The closest rainforest to us is the Central America rainforest. The largest rainforest is the Amazon rainforest.
Okay, can you explain about your secret box?
It's not turning. There.
Whoa, what do you have in this box?
I have a red flower. I have many kinds of leaves. I have a waterfall. I have a parrot sitting on the log. I have a jaguar. I have a snake hissing. I have a baby monkey and a mommy monkey. And I have some clouds in the background.
Wow, this looks awesome.
Possibly he a baby parrot.
Hmm.
This is the baby parrot.
And here's one more.
It's the mommy parrot. Can't make him stand.
Okay.
Can't make him stand.
Why?
I don't know. Just doesn't stand. Look.
Right, say.
He's trying to fall.
Okay. Bye bye.
Bye.